Ready to feather your nest with extra cash? Let's talk poultry farming. Starting a poultry farm might just be your golden egg. With a modest investment, you can raise chickens right in your backyard. Whether it's for meat or eggs, there's a huge demand in local markets. Imagine collecting fresh eggs every morning or supplying premium organic chicken meat to your neighbors. Plus, chickens are low maintenance and incredibly rewarding. Feed them, keep them safe, and they'll do the rest. The best part? It's scalable. Start small, and as you get the hang of it, expand your flock. Before you know it, you'll be rolling in profits and fresh produce. So why wait? Dive into the clucking good world of poultry farming today. Your wallet will thank you, and so will your taste buds. Start your chicken farm now and watch your side hustle take flight.